Hello, I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video, I'm going to go over chord inversions in the key of C minor. So we're going to start with finding the notes of the chord itself, and we're going to do that with the minor pentascale, do, re, mi, fa, so. So notice this third is lowered by a half step to make it minor. So we have do, mi, so, C, E flat, G. These are our chord tones, and I want you to think of them like ingredients. They're the ingredients of the chord, and these ingredients can be played all sorts of ways, and I'm going to show you the three most common ways in this video. So we're going to start with what's called root position. This might be notated as a C with a lowercase m, C-M, C minor. That means the ingredients are C, E flat, and G. We've got a third on the bottom, C to E flat, do to mi. We've got a third on the top, mi to so, E flat to G, and we've got a fifth on the outside, do, so, and the fingering for this will be 1, 3, 5. Above this chord you might see CM, might be uppercase, might be lowercase, and it also could be notated with a C like a dash. C dash also means C minor. So all we're going to do to change the inversion of this is we're going to take this C or this do and we're going to put it on top. So now we're going to have mi on the bottom, E flat, so in the middle, G, and do on the top. So when we're switching inversions, make sure we also switch where the black key is. So now your thumb's going to be on the black key, and we'll have fingers 1, 2 for that third on the bottom, fingers 2, 5 for that fourth, interval of a fourth on the top. Looks different, by the way. One of those is on a line, the other is on a space. And then our outer interval is a sixth, and it feels a little bit different than it did in major because of that black key. It's more stretched out. Your hand will be at a little bit of an angle. And if you see a notation for this one with letters, it would be CM / E flat. And what that's telling us, the CM tells us, okay, it's a C minor chord, so our ingredients, C, E flat, and G, are in this chord, and the bottom note on the left is an E flat. That's another notation for first inversion. Now, second inversion, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this E flat and put it on top, or mi, move it to the top. Now our bottom note will be so, G, middle note, do, C, top note, mi, E flat. So now we've got 1 and 3 playing the interval of a fourth, line to space. We've got 3 to 5 playing the interval of a third. Our outside interval is a sixth, line to space, 1, 3, 5. And then we would go back to root. Once you're familiar with all the positions, then let's run through them in order. So we've got root, C minor, first inversion, 1, 2, 5, C minor / E flat, 1, 3, 5, second inversion, and root. Back down, then second inversion, first inversion, and root. Now do blocking only. Really keep track of which finger is playing that black key, that mi or that E flat. Middle finger, thumb, finger 5, middle finger, 5, thumb. Now we're going to do the same thing with the left hand. It's just going to feel a little bit different. Our root, do, mi, so, C, E flat, G. We've got a third on the bottom, 5 and 3, do to mi. We've got a third on top, mi to so, fingers 3 and 1. Outside interval is a fifth. Feels very comfortable, so that would be notated CM or C dash, C minor. Now we're going to move the do to the top. So now finger 5 goes to the black key or mi. We have mi, so, do, E flat, G, C. Notice the fingering, the third on the bottom, 5 and 3. Fourth on the top, a little bit of a space here. No finger is going to be hanging out on that B there. 3 and 1, and 5, 3, 1. Sixth on the outside. That sixth feels different than it did in major. It feels larger because of that lowered third scale degree. You've got to angle a little bit to get on that E flat. And then finally, we're going to take that E flat, may, and put it on top. So now finger 5 is going to go on so, do, may. We've got 5 to 2 playing the 4th, and that is space to line. Fingers 2 and 1 playing the 3rd on the top, line to line. And the outer interval is a 6th, 5 to 1, a little bit at an angle there, and then we'd go to root. So let's run through those, broken and blocked. We've got root 5, 3, 1. First inversion 5, 3, 1. Second inversion 5, 2, 1. And root 5, 3, 1. Back down 1, 3, 5 for root. 1, 2, 5 for second. 1, 3, 5, first inversion, and root 1, 3, 5. Now blocking, black key in the middle, black on bottom, black on top, black in the middle, finger 3 on black, 1 on black, 5 on black, 3 on black. So in this inversion, you want to keep track of which finger has the black key for C minor and where is finger 2. So for root, we have 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1 for both. First inversion, left hand is 5, 3, 1. Right hand is 1, 2, 5. The 1, 2 is playing that 3rd. And now we switch. So then the left hand has the 3rd on the top. Right hand does not. And there. So second inversion, 5, 2, 1 left hand. First inversion, 5, 2, 1 right hand. Root, 5, 3, 1, everybody. Thanks for watching this short video on how to play inversions in the key of C minor. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, quick piano tips, and please feel free to leave comments or questions for me. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks again for watching.